Hey everybody, so we back at it again. We're going to try and put the kitchen in this little, the ceiling in this little kitchen back here. Gonna be using 1x6 tongue and groove. It's hot, that's for sure. We're gonna get it on, start right now. So what I done, they got me a helping hand right there. I'm hoping it'll work, maybe it will. So let's see if we can get this party started. All right, so we got that first piece up there. I had to add a little deadwood over here on this wall right here. But now we're gonna try to move right along. Move my hip and hand a little bit. Don't need much, just something to hold it up there a little bit for you. What you want to do, you want to put that gun right there in that tongue. Make sure that nail goes up in there. Something else I wanted to show y'all. Y'all look at the profile of this tongue and groove if you had never done this. It's sort of like that shiplap, if you remember from that video that I had. Okay, if you put this stuff one way, you won't have no V-groove whatsoever. Alright. So, if you flip it right over, you'll have that V-groove on the bottom. Right there. Now if you mess around and put it the way it ain't supposed to go, you'll have a shiplap look. I don't know if you can see that or not. So you have to pay attention to what you want. Now if your nail don't go all the way up in there, you cover itself in that tongue, you need to take a nail set and knock it on in there. That way your tongue can go in the groove right. A little aggravating doing it by yourself. You got to keep on moving this third hand down here. Uh-oh, y'all see what I done? Got my helping hand too close there. Well, I done got myself in a tight spot. That's even a tighter spot. You can't hardly drive a brad nail with a hammer. No. I got to ream them holes out just a little bit bigger for them lights. I didn't have a 4 1/8 inch hole saw, so I'll take a jigsaw and work on them a little bit, I guess. Oh, I can tell right now, I'm going to give that a little adjustment. Yeah, I noticed that board had a pretty good crown in it when I put it up there. I'm going to put a piece of deadwood in right there, and it ain't going to be so easy. I got an idea though. I don't know about y'all, but I think that's looking pretty dang good. Well, anyway, back to the deadwood situation. Probably have to put it in on this side and screw it in from the other side. I might be able to wedge a piece of wood. Ah, trying not to scratch my tub. I'd appreciate y'all liking and subscribing if you didn't mind. Once I have this surgery, I'm gonna be out of the game just a little while. Man, I sure do hate to have to start over on watch hours, all that stuff. But that's up to y'all. If y'all don't want to subscribe, that's okay too. Appreciate you stopping by and just taking a gander. Maybe one of these days I'll make a video y'all like well enough to subscribe. I think I'll put one more up before I cut these holes for the lights. All right, these measurements should be the same as them first holes I cut. I'm gonna take a break before I do that, and I'll bring y'all along when I cut them holes. I'll get these holes drilled for these lights. Get this piece up. The only bad thing about these Harbor Freight hole saws is there really ain't no way to get that plug out. And that thing's hot, man. Uh-oh, battery dead. But we got through it.
Hey, sorry everybody. Sorry everybody. Phone died. Camera shut off. I didn't realize it, but I got it done. I got them lights pushed up in there right. Looks good. All I did on the end here, I cut that little bitty piece right there and slid it all the way down. I didn't try to wedge it up in there. I just slid it all the way down in the groove. Worked out just right. But anyway, I think that's about gonna do it for today. I appreciate y'all watching this video. And if y'all got any comments about it, just drop them down below. Hey, we'll talk about it. Thanks.